oven baked whole fish. Snapper is the thing. We are using fresh wild whole snapper. 2.5 pounds of the snapper. These are two beautiful fishes. They are clean. This is from Crickland, you know, Costco. Put on some gloves. Yeah, it's all gutted out. It's all scaled out. Take a scissor and you'll cut it out. Extra, you want to chop it, you can chop it. This is beautifully cleaned. All the fins, the wings, everything is cleaned out from the fish. Now we will rinse this with vinegar and salt. White distilled vinegar, 4 to 5 tablespoons. So here you go, 2 tablespoons of the salt. 4 cups of water. So this will decrease the smell. Some people, they don't like the hink of the fish. Beautiful snappers. They are cleaned, rinsed in vinegar and salt. Let's make some beautiful cuts on this. All the marinade, all the flavor gets into deep. The cuts. This fish is all the way cut and ready to be marinated. Let's make a universal blend. You will need Old Bay seasoning, 1 tablespoon of the Old Bay seasoning, Kinder's cowboy butter with Dijon, butter and chili, 1 and 2. 1 spoon is enough for 1 fish. Wood-fired garlic, here goes 1 and here goes 2nd. We will take 1 whole tablespoon of whole carom seeds. They go in here. We have smoked paprika. We will take 1 whole tablespoon of the smoked paprika. We will take at least 12 cloves of fresh garlic. The liquid marinade for the fish, 100% virgin olive oil. This is half baking cup of the olive oil. Here goes. Let's blend the liquid marinade. 4 of the green chilies, olive oil, garlic and green chilies. This is all the liquid blend of green chili, garlic and olive oil. It goes all on top of our dry ingredients. Cut it from the center. We just need the fresh lemon juice. Take the brush or the spoon, or even you can use your hands. Give it a mix. Make a paste out of it. It has to be fragrant. It has to be flavorful. Look at this marinade. This is what I'm talking about. Our stuffing is ready to go into the fish. Our marinade is ready. So we will take our marinade first. We'll go inside of the fish. Make sure you cover every single corner. Add it right here. If you want to use your hand, here is it. Press it on top, get into deep cuts. So all the seasoning which you made, I'll put all the ingredients and the count in the description box, so it's going to be easy for all of us. Snapper is completely marinated. Cilantro, lemon, we'll just stuff it in our fish. Let's turn on our bake. We'll put it at 400. It's on the pre. Until then, we will add some vegetables. Just slice some red bell pepper. We will take some Brussels sprouts. It's looking good, right? Some olive oil spray. Spray it on the veggies, so they have some kind of a lubrication, and a layer on top of your snapper. We'll put this in the oven at least for 20 minutes at 400 degree. Here it goes. 527, 537, 547. 547, we will take a look. 547, my oven turned on very late. So here it is. This is the moment of truth. Let's take it out, do a temperature check. Let's do a temperature check. My oven at least turned on 10 minutes late. So it's consider this is 400 degree for 10 minutes. So let's do a temperature check. The temperature should reach above 145. Then it's gonna consider to be a delicious cooked snapper. It's taking its time. It's not getting there. Let's take a look on here. Deep to the bone. It's going down actually. You see this? So let's put this guy back for another 20 minutes at 400 degree. I was taking some thumbnails, so I took my sweet time for the thumbnails. Add 20 minutes to it. In the meantime, we will make some vinegar sauce with that. Crushed pepper, garlic powder, 7 to 8 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. It tastes so good with the fish. We will take half tablespoon of the salt. This will be our dip. To make it more tantalizing, add some sliced, really diced green chilies in there. It's been 30 minutes. Whole fish has been baking in here. Here it is. You can see a little bit steam here and there. Let's do a temperature check. Is ready. Yeah. Make this delicious oven baked full snapper. Get it from Costco or any favorite store you guys have it. Make this recipe and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and we will do a taste test after this.
Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets. It's a new.
Oh my goodness, this is so soft, so tender. Wow.